Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ukashah Shehzad, and today we will discuss about the human computer interaction. The topic name was garbage overflow. So basically in this video we will discuss about the paper prototyping. So let's move to the next person.
Assalamualaikum for all of the guys. My name is Abdul and I will discuss about to be a human computer interaction. Our topic is basically based on the waste management system, how to control and how this app can be work in our society, how the garbage overflowing basically is related to each other, so how you can remove to be a garbage from our society, how the group member can be used, and how the admin can be accessed for all of the group member in this app. So basically we can discuss about to be a paper prototyping, how they can be work. So let's move. Assalamualaikum. We will discuss about to be a paper prototyping. So let's start how they can be work, how the fully of the app work in the prototyping. So let's start. First of all, you can see to be a login page. This is a sign up with the Google, sign up with the Facebook, and a sign up with the email and the login. We will discuss about to be a first three. If you have signed up with the Google, if the Facebook or the email, when you can clicking to the button of Google, so you can see that we have clicking to be a behind to be a sign up with the Google. So enter to the next page email and add a new guest. If you have a login to be a email, so you can clicking to the button of email, so you can directly enter into the waste management system for our society. So they have according to be a two more condition you can see. So look at that, the user can be touched to be a button of Google, Facebook or an email, then can be clicking, so they can be moved on the next page. If they have the new one, they can be click to the add new guest. Then in the next one, they can be entered to the email. They can be entered to the email and clicking to be the next button. So they can be moved into the password page. So they can be entered to the password. If they have any of the issue, they can clicking to the button forget password. If they have not any issue, they can clicking to the next button. So they move to the front page of the waste management system for given by. So in this part, in the whole of the body page, you can click any of the area, so we can enter to the new page, welcome. This can be basically advice how you can clicking to the button and you can use our app. So we can first of all we can click to the button of get started. So we can move on to the home page. Look at it. For the location, invite people, history, tracker and settings are available. Home, forum page, info, members and profile, and the menu button is also be available. So first of all, we can click to the button of form page. Then we can enter to the profile registration page. First of all, the user enter to the username, full name, district, email, contact, and select to the gender, date of birth, and select our post. And if admin can assess it is, they can click to the tick button and then turn to the agree term and condition. Then if they are the group member, they can click to the group member, agree and term condition and click to the create account. So then we click to the create account as both of them. So there is a page for the admin profile can be opened. So all of the profile instruction can be given in that. So if they can edit to the profile, so they can be clicking to the edit button, or if they cannot be and return to a page, so click to the home button. Same as it is, this is a group member profile. You can see it is, if they can be edit, they can be click one. If they cannot be edit, they can be click to the home button. Then we can come back to the home page. So the admin and the group member as can be accessed for all of the things: location, invite people, history, tracker, setting, and all of the condition they can be assessed. First of all, if you can see to the info, so we can click to the info button, so we can enter to the info page. You can see all of our info instructions can be given there. Look at that for the storage, data usage, permissions, notification, open by default, and some defaults. So set up to be a battery location and a memory, and a home app is can be used. So we can clicking to the button of, then we can come back to the home page. So clicking to the button of settings. So we can enter to the settings page. So all of the functions can be available: account, notification, privacy, help, and support. And again come back to the home page. See to touch to the new icon. Here we can come into the history page. All of the system they can be see. In the yesterday they can get to the garbages from that area. There is a location can be located, and the timing is also be located in which they can be get it, and this is the location where they can be garbages picking up. If you can more to be a scroll down, then they can show to be a more app. If you can clicking to the back one, they can move to the back, come back to the home page. So in that case we can click to the choice of a daily tracker. So click the button of daily tracker. If they have any of the error they can be shown. So this page, error page, is can be shown on the screen. So we can go back to the home page. So click to the button of home page. Again you can click to be a daily tracker. So there it is, we can enter to be a daily tracker page. You can see to the activity log and the calendar they can be shown. So in the log data, the food waste, mixed waste, and the plastic waste, basically they can be discussed about that which kind of garbages they can be putting up and from the waste side. So these are the information we can get from the app management system. So we can click to the button of back one. So we can come back and see the home page. We can click to the invite group people. So click, you can see this page of invite. We can enter to the invite page. First of all, you can list it at the name where the people can be invited, and if you can more invited our friend, you can click on the button invite contact friend. So we can enter to the contact page. In that way they have listing someone. You can scroll that one and the name are become to be listed. So this is the contact to the manager. They have only the admin access. Contact to the complainer. These group members only contact to the group member. And there it is. We can search. And if you can search by the name, you can use to the board icon, and we can enter, press to the button. There it is, and where the names can be shown, and you enter the new contact here. So click it. So this is also be called to be a contact page. So click to the behind. So come back to the home page again. You can see there is a member group, same as it is called to be a behind one. You can press this, so you can come back to the invite page group, because there all of the group members are can be invited and set this page. So you can see to be a location in our home page. So click to the button of location. So here we come to the location page. After pressing to the button, the name of the admin or a group member can be shown. This is only access for the admin, not for that, because you can take to be a picture, you can send to the admin. These are the after the process. But in this time, you if you can search out to be a location, you can click to the button. So there is a keyboard becomes open, so you can place the area. You can place the area after you can click to a take to a new photo. So there it is, the camera becomes open. So you can click to the middle button to take to be a photo. Click that one. So in there you can see they can be captured to the photo. The most of the probably icons can be shown below. So we can click to the button of share. So you can select it the photos and then you can send to the admin. So here we can click basically to that. So there is a area you can be selected to the admin and can send to the admin, and if you can select it to another person you can click to the below one, and if you can find out to be a name you can search, you can touch to the search. After touch to be a searching the keyboard will be appear, so you can press the name and then the name is can be shown to the above, then you can send to the that one. So you can come to the next page. This is a page where only the admin can access this page, where they can be listed out whose are the group members who can send their location to pick up the garbage area. So these are the name you can see and these are the location. Only the admin can access this page. So admin can clicking to the button and send to the management. So after pressing to the sending to the button, the admin can see their locations where we can put up the location and send to the management system. So in that way the management system is also we see their locations where we come from it, like that to be a barrier town and like that to be a DHA. So they can more to be a scrolling up, like in that way this is a scroll bar where we can search the person of a group member from the that area who can send their location, and there is a scroll area where the management system can scrolling and see more of the locations where we can be come from it. So in that cases the admin has only the access of this page, so admin press to the button of mark as done. So after press to the mark as done, they can show to the successfully submitted to the location which they can be sent to the management system. So we can come back to the home page. So click, so in the last case, so we can clicking to the button of menu. After clicking to the menu page, so you can see to the add new bin location, privacy and security guidance, help and support, contact and about. So one by one we can discuss it. First we can click to the add new bin location. So we can reach again in this page. To the add new bin location you can see above to be a taking to be a photo, you can select this one and the new map can be open. So I can discuss about to be a more information to the location where we can be sent to the messages to the management system and how they can be work in the end of it. So we can be come back, we can be move on to the home page, click to the behind one. So we can come back to our home menu page, then we can click to the privacy and security page, click to the button. So they have two options, security and privacy looks good, mean this app is working very good. If they have the second condition I can see you, if your app show to be a danger, mean your device is show to be a alert, be alert from that app. So uninstall to the app and come back to the main page where you can enter to the email site. So this is the security and privacy page where they can be guide your app was working good. So we can come back again to the home menu page and click to the another button, help and support, click that one. Then the page was open and guide to the help and support. In the previous example where the help and support can also be involved in the setting. I can also be show before, so you read it before. So we can click to the back button and get to the home menu. So we can be come back to the again menu page. So in the last one is left, so we can click to the contact button. So there it is, a contact page becomes open. Before I can discuss about to be an invite group page, I will also be discuss about to be a contact page, because this is a page where you can find out of the contact numbers easily. So clicking to the button of a back one. So guys, again we can come back to the home page, and in the last one, sorry to say for you, it is a so much long video, and you can be see it is. So in the last one we can clicking about to button. So there is a last page of about, where we can get to the rating from the users, to the app management, and this is creativity by the Rich. It is an application development, so we can be connected through the Facebook, Twitter, and email. Guys, you can easily understand to be a paper prototyping, how they can be work and how we can be perform it.